Take command of the road in the 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This two-door, three-passenger truck is ready to drive off the showroom floor. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Chevrolet prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including delay-off headlights, a trip computer, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, a trailer hitch, and air conditioning. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Come on in and take a test drive.